Financing for adaptation has traditionally been lower than mitigation financing. How can we ensure a rebalancing both with international and domestic financing for climate action?
I think that, as Secretary Kerry said, we just need to simply change the parameters of the ball game, and I think there needs to be a lot more emphasis. Green Climate Fund, for example, very low levels of financing for adaptation purposes. But a case in point, we've got some of the large shareholders here present. A few years ago, the shareholders, for example, resisted the call to have, for example, middle-income countries like Fiji to get concessional financing through the ADB, which is called the ADF funds, which is similar to IDA funds. We have within 36 hours, 1/3 of the value of our GDP wiped off because of a climatic event, and yet we cannot access concessional financing from ADB because the shareholders objected to it. We've been given certain commitments, countries like UK now I understand on board, but if we can get that across the line, as the World Bank has done, then we'll be able to access concessional financing, and it will help us greatly in terms of putting finance towards adaptation and indeed building resilience.